sad about that. You were counting on the water. Hi, y'all.
Hello. Can you wave, Caleb?
Well, no. I mean, it's a lot to take in.
Practicing their terror with ghoulish delight.
The rain adds to the rusty smell of the
last one's into this room and the last one's out. Just try to stick to the left-hand side.
Didn't realize that I was on assignment. So that other people can get in without you guys being here swaggers.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
Kindly drag your bodies away from Master's walls and gather in the dead center of the room.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour. And let's all stay together, please.
Make your final arrangements. No more than 3 bodies can fit in your buggy.
Sensitive, right?
Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions. spiders, tail of a rat. Call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on a tape. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake of the expecting. Selected you to fill our quota, and they'll want you until you return.